Hello friends, this is iDroid in Creation. In this video, I will talk about the Android 10 update of Galaxy Note 10 with One UI 2. So let's watch.
Friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
So friends, there is good news for Galaxy Note 10 series users that Samsung has now started rolling out the stable Android 10 update for Galaxy Note 10 owners running Android Pie on their devices, following a release of the stable update for One UI 2.0 beta participants. The Android 10 update is rolling out for those on Android Pie in Germany at this time and should soon make it to other markets. This is the official stable release, which means you don't need to have been on the beta program to get it. We should see this update being rolled out in additional countries over the coming days. This update brings One UI 2.0 in addition to all of the new features in Android 10. The update size is about 1920 MB, while also coming with December 2019 security patch. So friends, thanks for watching the video and also subscribe my channel for more tech videos. Peace out.